How to repair Windows 11 in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to open the Windows search bar and type cmd to run the command prompt. You just have to run the command prompt as run as administrator, and you just have to click on yes and then type sfc, then /scan now, and then click on enter, and it will start the scan. And after that you just have to click on Windows search bar and again search for cmd and run as administrator, and then you just have to write down DISM and then /online, then space, then again /clean up, then dash image, then space, and then /check health, and click on enter again. And then you just have to click on Windows and cmd again, and again run as administrator, and then you just have to type DISM, then /online, then space, then /clean up dash image, then again /scan health, and click on enter after that. And after that you just have to again click on Windows search bar and run as administrator the command prompt. Then you just have to write the command like this at DISM space /online, then space /cleanup dash image, then space /restore health. Then you just have to click on enter, and then you just have to again click on Windows search bar and search for the cmd, that command prompt, and run as administrator, and then type chk, that's check disk, and space, then /f space /r, then enter, and you just have to type y again and then enter. And that's it. After the scan is completed, you can restart your PC and your Windows 11 PC will be repaired successfully. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.